Alright, so this next episode of Man Tips, we're going to replace a gasket in a running toilet. So if you look right here, this is the, and I'll get there right here, the flush rubber seal gasket Mansfield flush valve seat. It's a little red, looks like this. You can hear that the toilet's running a little bit, and if you look down there, you can see there's a gasket where this I guess this black valve kind of sits. It activates by, this lever right here. So we don't get super wet or do anything, we're going to come down here and we're going to kill the water to it. So now it's going to stop running. So now let's get the water out. Nice little flush. All right, you see how the gasket's kind of offset right there, right? All right, so now you got to get it out. Now, there's a couple different ways to do this. Pull this out. In reality, you might be able to swivel this valve enough right here, and you got to get it to come out. It's so close. Give me a second. Let's see if I can rearrange this to where you can see it. I use two hands. Alright, you see how I just did that, move that over. Alright, you should be able to twist this off. And just cover it up. Easy enough. Grab the camera, we'll look back down. So now we're going to just fish the gasket up. And you see over time, they just get worn. Yeah, no good. Alright, so that'll go in the trash. So take the new gasket. Nice looking new red rubber. I don't think it has a certain way it goes on. If I look at it, I think I want to seal it with a little bit indication coming up. Now when you put it down here, it should fit pretty tight around the outside of that white. If you notice, the other one just kind of like jumped off of there. So clearly it was bad. All right, so you get it there. You want to get it off the white the best you can. You'll get a little ink color on here. All right, so now you want to put the valve back on. Twist there. All right, so now it's back. You want to swivel the, spin it righty tighty. Put the hose back in it. All right, now you want to get the water back onto it, so you come down here, pop this in, and now it's going to fill up. And when it fills up, you'll see that we're no longer leaking. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Man Tips.